Hi, and welcome back to the fifth video for the 52-week Blender challenge. This time we're going to do this little, I guess, shrine plaque or something that I saw in one of the mangas I read. Tetsugomi, I think that's how you say the name. But anyway, let's get started. So press 1 here, S, C, oh, ah, oh god, what happened? I don't know what's going on. All right, one. Okay, now what's going on? Okay, let's just make a new file. Sweet. Okay, that's one. SC like that. Then we're gonna make this thinner. SY. Cool. Actually, it's too thick still. Tab. We're gonna do face selection. Press this one. Inset just a bit. Then GY. And that is pretty much the base. So tab edit, get out of that, and then Shift D, S, and we're gonna make like little plaque things on the top that are just gonna like center or stuff. Then Shift D, C, down here, and then let's move it this way. And we're gonna mirror this because we're lazy. Let's see, mirror, cool. All right, press 3, R, same thing with this, R. All right, then we got this done. And now, this is really simple. So what we're going to do to ump it up is, and to remind myself is, hey, how do I project onto an object? So yeah, let's do that. First things first is to make it really easy, go to preferences, add-ons, and then images, import images as planes, select that, refresh, and then we can import our images as planes because we need that for setting up for the shrink wrap modifier. So import images as plane. Let's find it. Tacos. All right. And like you see that, hey, it's coming off as a plane, right? And if we actually want to see what's on there, we need to go to shader or so GY this way, tacos, awesome. So then press 1, RC 90, all right. I think that's no 180. All right, that's pretty good. All right. Make this bigger as like that. Oh, no. So GY this way. RC 90. Okay. Awesome. Okay. Press 1. S like that, and then we want to flip this over because I think it's backwards. So then RC 180, there we are. G, move it like that. We might make it a little bigger. Okay, cool. So now how do we project? Add a modifier to this, shrink wrap, and then add the target. That's cool, right? Again, we can make an offset. We can make it lighter or bigger, or kind of just blend it in there. But if we're just looking like it's just plastered on there. So that's how you project. One thing you might find is, hey, I want to project this into like a curved object or something. So what you can do is pretty much the same thing. So let's Shift A, make a cylinder, SC, right? Project the tacos, see the cube, cylinder. No, let's make this go back. Oh. Make this disappear for now. Where is my taco sign? Okay, add modifier. Let's see, project, target, on surface, outside, just gotta keep playing with this until we find something. Front, back. This is positive now. Why isn't this working? How dare you do this to me? Let's see. Oh. So another thing you might need to do is edit mode, and then subdivide. Okay. Exit out of that. Let's try this again. Shrink wrap. And then we offset like that. And it doesn't look that great, but it does work, and we can just do that. Again, we can use the project and do a little bit of more work here with these settings until we get something. And then it looks a lot better like that. So, thank you for sticking around for that troubleshooting, but hope this works and hope this helps you and hope this reminds you of, hey, I can project stuff on images. But yeah, till next time.